everyone, I'm Brittany. Basically I'm making this video to show you how to get your room to have that Urban Outfitters aesthetic without the Urban Outfitters price. Essentially, I made a TikTok video a few months back showing the room transformation that I had, and it was a pretty big hit, so I decided maybe I should make a video just showing how I got to this kind of vibe without that price, because of course I'm a student, so you know there's expenses that have to be saved. So it's still really cute, as you can see, and of course I did shop at Urban Outfitters, hence this moon banner that I've got back here. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you where I got what. So the best place to start would really be my bed. This is kind of like what makes the whole room. My friend actually let me buy her mattress off of her, so if you ever have a friend that is selling a mattress, that saves you a lot of money. I bought the base that it goes on at Walmart for like $50. Super good save, because you don't really need a backboard. It kind of takes up a lot of space in your room, so just having that super easy base that it can go on and it's adjustable, super helpful. The bedspread, also from Walmart. Maystays. It's Maystays brand. Inexpensive, but it's cute. It's all white, as you can see. This blanket that I've got here is a throw. It was from Winners, also a gift. This was from an Ariana Grande perfume bottle, like gift set, so the colors really just kind of tie in together. These are Winners, 2 for $25, so clearly I love Winners. So this moon banner I got from Urban Outfitters. I think it was $38. I can't be quite sure off the top of my head, but they always have like 40% off home sales, so it's always best to wait until they have that sale going on so that you can just do that, because I've been eyeing it for probably years. Leaves up here. So yeah, they sell them actually at Urban Outfitters, and I've seen them at other like stores like that, but I got them on Amazon. It came with a pack of, I'd say, 12, so I have them entwined in 2s around here, and I kept them going all the way across here. So it just kind of gives that really cute green vibe. It's artificial because I am a plant killer. I can't keep a plant alive for the life of me, so it's super helpful. Yeah, it's very cozy, very green. A pop of color in my all white room so far. These lights that I've got here, they are also from Amazon, and they have like a gajillion different settings on them, which I love so much. Shimmery, really fun. I think they were maybe $25. This little guy is so cute, also from Urban Outfitters. You can microwave the pouch in the back, and it comes with lavender and stuff, so it's relaxing. Good vibes always. Yep, okay, so that's like the bed area, and I'm going to show you next the cute little mirror setup that I've got going on. So this is my cute little mirror setup that we've got going on. I actually got it at Walmart. I just love marble. It's like my favorite vibe. It's pretty big, and I love it because you can just see my closet in the background too. I hung these lights around it as well. The lights are from Winners, I believe. Yeah, really cheap, probably like $10 max. I love it. Got my little Polaroid wall here, so I just love Polaroids. It kind of just adds that aesthetic to it, and then I'm gonna add more, of course, else I usually don't just have like one sticking out on its own, but hopefully I will get enough to go down to that line there. I just put it up with clear tape. You can't really tell from far away, so loving that. Oh, I didn't mention my curtains. These are actually from Walmart as well. I think they're $11 each, so we love that. And my apartment didn't come with curtain rods, so you can get those really easily at Walmart as well. They hold through tension, so it's really easy. And so I'll just move on to my closet there. My room is actually the den. and it doesn't come with a closet, so I decided to use that as an opportunity to get a open closet, or a rack, I guess. I actually quite like it because it forces me to keep my room clean, and it has a kind of aesthetic that I really wanted. I got it at IKEA. I believe it was $20, so really cute, white. I also got these hangers at Winners, and they're velvet, so I needed white because I said if I'm gonna have an open closet there, it has to be all white, everything. This moon, I don't even have to tell you where, Urban Outfitters. It was a birthday present, but I do quite love it. I love that I have this shoe rack underneath the open closet. It just kind of pulls everything together. I love the white rug. I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, gotta copy. Yeah, Winners. Show off some random little details like my scrunchie holder. I mean, wow. Visco Girl extraordinaire. We love to see it. And so this is my bookshelf. Pretty self-explanatory. It's from IKEA, though I did buy it off my friend who was moving. It's really cute. I love the light colored wood, and it matches the bedside table that's also from IKEA. Well, I'm just screaming at the fact that, yes, I have all the Twilights down here. Do you even think I have time to read them? No, but I just had to say I love Twilight, so there's that. So I definitely won't pretend that all my clothes fit on this open rack. They definitely all fit in here as well. Again, this dresser is like matching the bookshelf that I have. Also IKEA. Yeah, I just love like the light colored wood. It like ties the room together, so super fun. Got my cute little top of the dresser here. Polaroid camera, because Polaroid pictures need to be taken for the Polaroid wall. Yeah, these adorable little ring holders, I had seen them actually at Urban Outfitters, but I found them at some random little trinket shop, so we stan. I'm just obsessed with giraffes, and this little antler deer is cute too. So that was like my closet kind of area. Oh, this is my makeup area. I mean, my desk that's used for studying. Okay, Mom. Again, this desk, take a guess, IKEA. Yeah, I actually really love it because it's white and that's my vibe, and it's glass, so it kind of just like keeps that open kind of area. Doesn't feel like claustrophobic. So all my little makeup stuff here. So there's my room. I hope you enjoyed watching. I just made this video to show you how easy it can be to decorate on a budget as well. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Good night.